Friends, are you able to listen to me? Clear? I'm getting was live. Yeah. Session 2. It's online now. So we'll wait for another, 5 minutes for people to join. Super Vivek ji, welcome back. Shashi Bhushan ji, you read about Obelix comics, no? Asterix, Obelix. So Shashi Bhushan, Vivek ji, Shashi Bhushan is the Obelix. He fell into the magic potion, when he was a kid. He doesn't require magic potion any further. Ravi, it's there, in the group. You can, watch it. So in this session, we'll have a recap of what we, discussed in the first session with just 2 or 3 more examples, which will give you a few more reference points, for you to have a clear bias. We saw 100 plus in the first session. The second session is down by 50%. Only 57 people are there. So another minute, we'll wait and then start. Yeah, it's 1:40. We'll start. So if you had seen for Canara Bank, I would have posted one number, okay, which is 3571. Okay, as long as PSB index trades above 3571, be long in Canara Bank. That would have been my message. Okay, 3571. Stop loss reference for Canara Bank 3571 of public central bank index. I expect 360.5, 378 was the post. I posted buy call at 344.5. So it made so I posted expect 360.5 and 378. Can you see 378 dot? The previous day it made 360.5. So my buy call for Canara Bank was around 343, 342 levels. Okay. When Canara Bank was trading at 355, I am posting buy Canara Bank at 343 to 342 levels. Okay. At 343, when public sector bank index was holding 3571, I posted as long as public sector bank index holds 3571, be long in Canara Bank, target 360.5. 360.5 is the 50% retracement from recent swing low to swing high. Recent swing low was 298. Recent swing high was 463. Okay, what is that number comes to? Plus 463 minus 298. It's around 165, right? Plus 165 divided by 2. 82.5 plus 298 plus 82.5. So that comes around 380.5. Okay. So I expected it to go to around 378, 380, and it made perfectly 380. Sir, 378. What is that number it went? Yeah, it made around 382.90. And I gave sell call near that place. Sell Canara Bank, at around 378 odd, and it crashed. when it couldn't trade above 380, 377. Yeah, around 378, 379, I posted Canara Bank to sell. I don't remember the exact number. It'll be around that number. Okay, when it couldn't break, that recent 50% retracement level, I gave a sell call at around that number, and it made, it crashed. Same way, the previous time where I posted for Canara Bank is 3807. 3807 is a Fibonacci number. Number. Yeah, 3804. I typed it wrongly. So here I had posted, if PS Public Sector Bank Index holds 3804, expect 426 for Canara Bank by Monday or Tuesday. Okay, I gave buy call for Canara Bank at around 400. I think on that day it made 430. From 400 made 430 within 1 day. That was basis the Fibonacci reference number 3804. Okay, if you have this kind of reference numbers, you'll make bigger number. Same way, I posted Brahmastra post for public sector banks. There was basics this 2961. At many places, I refer these numbers. Or is it some other number? I think that I posted in the WhatsApp. 2961 was the number when I posted the Brahmastra post for all the public sector banks, and it shot up like mad. So Canara Bank buy was at 299. Okay, all the public sector banks I was expected to shoot up like mad, and everything returned huge value. Even for REC, PFC, these kind of bigger lot size stocks, I look at PSB, public sector enterprises, CPSC, index, and then when it holds Fibonacci series, Fibonacci numbers, at that place I go long even without stop loss. Okay, and usually it returns good value. This is how we simply trade Fibonacci, sheet. Once you have that one reference sheet, you can actually make decent money each day. Arvind was a buy call around 377. Okay, when I gave buy call at 377, I posted on 411. It made 411 also. Many of the scripts, will be, my buy call will be at these levels only. Even for Reliance Capital, it crashed from 631. Okay, I gave a sell call around 631. First, I gave a sell call at 695. Sell Reliance Capital at 695. So at this place, I gave a sell call. Exit drill cap. I gave sell call 698 actually. Okay. I gave sell call at 698. Stop loss just 2 to 3 points. And within no time, it made 691. Sell 690 PE and trail stop loss to cost. This is what I had posted. Then it came to 631 levels. Yeah. Same way posted, sell Reliance Capital 629. Okay. The 629 was because the number was 631 here. With the just 2 to 3 points stop loss, I gave sell call at 631, and I posted to buy near 521. I think even Nanda Kumar will remember 521 is a weekly support for Reliance Capital. From 521, it bounced back to 879 or 888. It bounced back. Okay, so I gave sell call at 695, 698. Stop loss just 2 points. Okay, then below 665, I posted carry forward the shorts. Once it was below 631, which was a middle Bollinger, I posted it will bleed. Once below 595, it will crash. That was my post at the time. Okay, it made 521. At 521, I gave buy call. Reliance Capital made 625.25. If it closes below ATP, say 623, carry forward with 620 CE as hedge. Target 615, 605, 595, 560, 525. Okay. And once it held on to 521, I gave buy call at that level. Below 595, bloodbath. Reason is very simple. Sell call just below 631, which was middle Bollinger Band also. Okay, with just 2 points stop loss. Once it broke 623, actually at 625 I'm posting below 623, you can expect 595. If it trades below 595, expect bloodbath. And it made 521. When it held on to 521, I gave a buy call from 521. Once it made 597, I posted if Reliance Capital trades above 597, expect next Bharat Finance. Next Bharat Finance. That was the post. Will be next Bharat Finance shoot up. Okay, from 575 it made almost 879 odd. So these kind of long-term forecasts you can make with reference to Fibonacci sheet. Okay, most of us are very good in objective analysis. Many of you have data. Okay, with this data you can do some objective analysis. But with the problem with objective analysis is everyone knows objective analysis, right? You can have AFL done, or there is a robo. I think many brokers are offering ready-made robo trading, so which works on a set parameters. Okay, but many of the robo traders fail. Why? Because the rules for that robo programming is given by the operators. You have been trained, your mind is conditioned. When your mind is conditioned, that is what you put it in your program also. So when you put whatever the so-called operators, ATR should be stop loss, and you go long, then they hit this ATR and go long, right? So this kind of subjective analysis gives you an edge over the people who have only the objective analysis. Many times, my post will be contra. Maybe at 10,323, people are posting 9,500, something like that. Whereas I am posting as long as 10,343 holds, market will go up. Because they are focusing only on objective analysis, which gives sell trigger. Okay. Actually, few days back, one person told, why are you posting buy DLF, buy Ashok Leyland? I am short in Ashok Leyland at 119. I am short in DLF at 207. My robo system is telling sell. Okay, I am trying to make a big money. I told that fellow, boss, first discount line, square off your position, stop that robo. Okay, market is going to reverse. If you are short in 5 lots or 10 lots in DLF and 5 lots in Ashok Leyland, by end of day, you lose at least 5 lakh to 10 lakh rupee. Okay, I told him, first you stop that engine, then call me. You are squared off. He called me in 10 minutes. Guruji, I squared off. By end of day, he called me and told, I was short in DLF by 5 lots and Ashok Leyland 5 lots. DLF from 205, it came to 236. Ashok Leyland from 117, it went to 138. Imagine if you had been short. That's huge money, right? So if you work only on objective analysis, it is bound to fail because your mind is programmed by the operators and the same command you give to the system also. Then you fail miserably. Yeah, I had posted for Reliance Capital. I had posted further number also for 495, 480, 440 also I had posted, but it stopped at 521. Okay, 521 was lower Bollinger Band, and it was also a weekly support for Reliance Capital. 521, that what do you say? Senko B line, flat line was at 521 levels. It held exactly to that number. So I gave buy call at 521 to 525 levels. I gave buy call. Next day it went up. And also when it made 525, it was lower circuit. 560 was a lower circuit. And then second lower circuit was around 521, 522 levels. Okay. Then it bounced back. This is how I trade Fibonacci numbers. I know it's a bit, tough for you to grasp it initially, but once you practice it, definitely, you will make good money. 27,670 was the sell call for Bank Nifty given by me. Okay. And no time, it made 26,073. So tomorrow, if it trades about 26,073, then it will again come up to 27,060. So with this, we come to the end of Fibonacci sheet daily run rate formula. How to make 4,000 to 5,000 rupee each day with least risk to best reward. How to find reversal trades. So I'll close this. Then we'll go to Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands, a new perspective. I had posted this message to John Bollinger sir also. Okay, and he was very happy. He told, he talks only statistics when he talks Bollinger Bands. He was unable to simplify. This 5 set of rules gives a very simplified, look at the Bollinger Bands. So these five set of rules, once you understand, you can trade Bollinger Bands like, sitting duck. You can trade. You know the bias. So what is that? 1. When both upper Bollinger Band and lower Bollinger Band are coming down. That means losers are averaging more and losing more. Winners are selling more, but their profit is coming down. Bottom is nearby. You see increase in VIX. Implied volatility go up too. Breakdown is in play. Okay. Big players trade in 2 ways. Okay. Predominantly, they choose 2 ways to trade. 1, they trade breakout, breakdown. Okay. 2, they trade reversion, mean reversion technique. Okay. Whenever Bollinger Band trades above Bollinger but closes below Bollinger, usually SG2, standard deviation 2, it comes to middle Bollinger, which is 21 EMA. That is called mean reversion. The middle Bollinger Band always attracts the price. Okay. The second thing is, whenever price trades above Bollinger for consecutive 2 to 3 periods, then breakout is in place. We can see that with classic example in Nifty itself. I had posted some time back also. I'll just explain you with the chart. If you've seen DLF's chart, here it is breakout, right? Trade above Bollinger, then it further goes up. Okay, this is called breakout. Now, once it traded below Bollinger, traded above Bollinger, closed below Bollinger, then mean reversion. Okay. Same way, it goes up, trades above Bollinger, closes below Bollinger, mean reversion. Breakout, traded below Bollinger, mean reversion. Okay, it follows a pattern. Even Nifty, if you see, is not seen. That is Nifty. Surprised here. Whenever I put it, it should come immediately. What's wrong with it? Okay. We can see in my chart itself. Yeah. There are two predominant ways biggies trade. One, breakdown or breakout. Two, mean reversion. At 8504 to 9119, it was breakout. Bulls all the way. You can see it was breakout, 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 breakout. Okay, then it was mean reversion. Now, this is not breakdown. It is mean reversion. That's why I posted Nifty will go to 10,723.5. It's a standard deviation to play. This, if you remember, you can identify at many places. Biggies play two predominant ways. One, breakdown or breakout. Two, mean reversion. 8504 to 9119, it was breakout, bulls all the way. At 9687, say market made from 10,156, it came to 9687. Okay, then again it came back. Okay, at 10,053 from 10,518, and now at 10,300 from 11,171, it's a mean reversion. Okay, if you understand, you can plot your reversals at the exact place. Now we'll go again to the same, story. When both upper Bollinger Band and lower Bollinger Band coming down, losers are averaging more and losing more. Where do we see that? Upper Bollinger coming down, lower Bollinger coming down, middle Bollinger Band also coming down. Okay, this means the losers, the buyers. Okay, if we keep upper Bollinger Band as the buyers and lower Bollinger Band as the sellers. Okay, the losers are losing more. Okay, and the sellers or gaining less. They're also exiting their positions. Okay. Breakdown in play. 2. When upper Bollinger Band, lower Bollinger Band becomes flat, losers are averaging their losing positions and winners are booking profits. You see wicks to moderate, implicit volatilities to drop, mean reversion in play. Say it is getting flattened out, right? This is also getting flattened out. If you had seen at this place and at this place, you will see option premiums are getting killed. At this squeeze from top, it comes to mean reversion. Both call and put will decay, then it will start going up. This is a place where it is getting flattened. It is getting flattened. Okay. You should remember high wicks gets low begets low wicks. Low wicks begets high wicks. Whenever the Bollinger Band is expanded, wicks goes up. Whenever it is getting squeezed, wicks comes down. So again go up. Okay. This is how wicks and Bollinger Band are getting related. 3. When lower Bollinger Band goes up, while upper Bollinger Band comes down, winners winning less and losers averaging to reduce their cost of holding. You see bull spread, bear spread happening and range bound Nifty to kill premiums. Mean reversion in play. This is the place, okay, where lower Bollinger Band is going up, upper Bollinger Band is coming down. This is where they squeeze the premiums of options. The stock or the index trade within a range, okay, only to expand. Fourth, when lower Bollinger Band goes down and upper Bollinger Band goes up, means losers are losing big and winners are winning big. It's either breakout or breakdown. Where do you see that? Here you see, right? The upper Bollinger Band is going up, the lower Bollinger Band is coming down. So the losers are losing big, winners are winning big. What does it mean? Here they are averaging, okay, because these people are averaging their sell, market is going up further. Okay, when the stock trades above Bollinger Band, closes below Bollinger Band, at that time these people's average, price goes up. These people exit and it comes down. Am I making sense? Are you getting it? You need any further clarity on it? Am I going fast? I think the time lag is very big. Okay. If you are getting it, okay. Yes, it's clear. Okay. I'll give you with few examples. Okay. This is a DLF chart. At this place, it's a trade below Bollinger, close above Bollinger. At say around 160 odd levels. I would have given buy call for DLF around 160 odd. Williams had made a double bottom exactly at these levels. That means it is oversold It is coming down only to hit the stop loss. It has gone up. Same way at around 174.10 at this place. Okay. I had a given buy call. You can take the date also. DLF was buy call given at 174.10. Date was also matching. And then target I had posted 195. AB is equal to CD. Okay, it made around 195 perfectly. What was this level? Yeah, this level 174.10. Okay, where I had posted AB is equal to CD, I would have posted around 195 odd, and it made 195. At 199, I posted it can go to 216, and it made 216. At 216, I posted 216 minus 155, target 170, 180, 178 odd. It made 178, I think. Sorry, 278, I think. At this place, this I had drawn. Williams R was making higher low. So 174.10, I had posted 195 as the target. It made 195, 199 also. I'll give you one more example. Where is that? Yeah, Canara Bank. Canara Bank, this I had posted the group also. This is the Bollinger. If you see here, from 301, 320, it made 463. Okay, it's a clear case. The losers are lost very big. Okay, you can see all the conditions here. When lower Bollinger Band goes down and upper Bollinger Band goes up, means losers are losing big and winners are winning big. It's either breakout or breakdown. Upper Bollinger Band going up, lower Bollinger Band coming down. So losers lost heavily. Okay. Now see the next condition. When lower Bollinger Band goes up, while upper Bollinger Band comes down, winners are winning less and losers are averaging to reduce their cost of holding. Lower Bollinger Band coming up, upper Bollinger Band coming down. Okay. So the losers who lost heavily in Canara Bank, they are averaging huge and it has gone up. Okay. Whereas Canara Bank, who are at bought, they have sold it, at the high and it was coming down. Then it was a squeeze. Okay. At this place, I had posted Canara Bank can either make the high or it can make around 300 odd levels. So this is what I had posted. You can see. Once the lower Bollinger Band was broken, it made less than 300 odd, and then from there it shot up to 330. So when I was at this place, this area was not known to me, right? It was a future. This I had posted, published also in TradingView. We can expect this number, this level on the downside, or on the upside we can expect this level. Because Bollinger Band was very clear where it can lead to. I'll give you a few more examples. Bajaj Auto. Why it's not showing? That finance is showing. Bajaj Auto it's not showing. Yeah. Bajaj Auto original buy was at 2705. Traded below lower Bollinger and closed above. Okay. Where was that number? Yeah. At this place, it traded below lower Bollinger Band and closed above lower Bollinger Band. If we see the, Williams are low, higher low, third higher low, second higher low, it's making. Okay. At this place, I gave buy call at 2705. Once it made this number 3022, it retraced around 2931. I gave buy call again. AB is equal to CD was the first I had given around 3000, 200 odd. It can reach. That was the number I had given. Original buy at 2705, made 2980 to AB. At C 2940, gave buy call 2980 minus 2705 is equal to 275 plus 2940, 3205 was the target I had given, which I had marked in the chart also. What is the number? Yeah, around 3198, around 3205 was the number I had posted. Okay. This was a chart I shared in the group also, when I gave that call. 2980 minus 2705 is equal to 275 plus 2940, 3205 was the call I had given. It made 3205 plus also it made. Another call which I had given is Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. I think this Gopala Udumal of Madurai, he had 2 to 3 lots of Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. I asked him to average at around 2000 levels. Okay. What is the name I would have given? DRL. Yeah. So I gave around 2005. Hey, what's happening here? DRL buy call at 2005, now 2185. Yeah. Usually at this place I don't give the buy call, but Williams R was giving buy signal. Low, higher low. Okay. I don't give at the falling channel, but in this case, with the as Williams R was showing oversold and it was reversing, and stochastic K, stochastic D also reversing on that day, I gave buy call around 2005 levels. Okay. From 2005, it made 23 2384 odd. Okay, at 2384, I would have posted, a stop loss around 2364 and be long. I'd made 2505. So if you understand, Bollinger Bands clearly, then, we can take positional trades with proper hedge, you will make bigger money. Even here you can see, it's a classic, if you take any one chart at this place, losers are losing big, winners are winning big. The same replica is here. The losers are losing big, winners are winning big. Only when this comes down, you see a pullback. Same way, only when this comes down, the upper Bollinger band comes down, you see a pullback. If this goes on expanding, then it will keep on coming down. It expands, squeezes, expands, squeezes. This is how Bollinger Band is played out. If this one cheat sheet, if you can keep it in front of your system in any time frame, then it is very easy to make money each day also. And if you see two time frames, okay, at the same level, same Bollinger number, then that's the best point for reversal. Remember this, why I had posted, Nifty will come up. In this is a daily chart. Okay, the daily chart support is at this level. This is a weekly chart. Weekly chart support is exactly plotted at that place. So whenever these two confluence happens, that is very powerful. If that is broken, you see breakdown. If that is held, you see big uptick. Okay, that is why when Nifty touched this place exactly and didn't break, I gave buy call at 10,323. Many would have wondered why I am giving buy call, because market was looking to crash further. Actually, on that day, Dow Jones was cracking even 300 more points. After Nifty opened, when you saw Dow Jones, it was cracking another 300 points. People are forecasting 10,053, 9556, all those things. But this chart I posted, it's a confluence of daily as well as weekly. When two daily and weekly is almost 5x, right? So whenever this 5x difference, there's a confluence that is very powerful. Even today, if this 10,276, this Lakshman Rekha broken, you will see another 800 points downside. As long as that is not broken, you will see 10,723.5, then again 10,531, then it will again go to 10,999. Correct. This way it will go up. So in Bollinger Bands, when two different time frames, 1 hour and daily, both matches, the number, Bollinger Band number of hourly chart and Bollinger Band number of 4-hourly chart or daily chart matches, that place you get the best kind of reversal. Is it clear till now? Say daily is 1, weekly is 5x, right? Devanand Tek Chandani. Same way in Bollinger Bands, if you choose 1 hour, 1 hour Bollinger Band shows some number, say around 10323. and 4-hour time frame says 10323 also. That place is very hard to crack. Even for Williams or stochastic A, stochastic D, I keep 2 to 3 different time frames. Okay, I have an oscillator called ultimate oscillator. Okay, in this ultimate oscillator, the default setting is 7, 14, 28. Okay, whereas I keep 3 time frames: 4, 8, 16, 7, 14, 28, and 10, 20, 40. Whenever I see any two hitting the bottom and reversing, you see mad uptick. It can be a 4, 8, 16 or 7, 14, 28. These two, it hits the bottom and reverses. Ashok Leyland at 118, all three hit the bottom. Okay, if you had seen in the last 2 weeks, many times I would have posted gap down inside a bullish territory is dangerous for bears, good for bulls, because it's an actual loss for the bears. It's a notional loss for the it's a notional profit and actual loss for the bears, and it's a notional loss for the bulls. Gap down. Okay, whenever it gaps down, first time it gapped down by 100 points, second time Nifty gapped down by 200 points, third time it gapped down by 300 points. What happened at that time? When it gapped down by 100 points, the 4, 8, 16 ultimate oscillator hit the bottom. The second day, it gapped down one more time, 200 points. Next day, 7, 14, 28 indicator hit the bottom. It became oversold. Third day, 10, 20, 40 ultimate indicator. That also hit the bottom at 10,323. I didn't even put stop loss. I bought. If you'd seen, I'd have given a buy call for 10,500 call at 108, right? That 108 made around 240 odd. I posted to buy 1,050 when against the trend. Okay, from 108 it didn't even come down by 2 rupees. It went to 240 odd. So this is how you trade Bollinger Bands. We have with Bollinger Bands we have many examples in our channel as well as in the group. If you can go through it, it will reveal you a lot about how do we trade Bollinger Bands. So this cheat sheet, I'll share it in the group. I think I already had shared channel as well as in the group. I'll share it. Then you can have a clear look at it. We can take it forward further. Any doubts still here? If you can type it, then we can clarify it and then take it forward. Oscillator, that's in the AMI broker. In this laptop, I don't have AMI broker installed. Maybe I'll send screenshots to the group by tomorrow. Shantanu, as I told you, below 10,300, say 10,200 was just 50 paise, 1 rupee, right? 10,100 was 40 paise, 30 paise. 9,700 put was just 5 paise. So if the market crashes to 9,700, then all the duds or all the worthless puts from 50 paise 1 rupee, they need to give 500, 600 rupee. Then there should be commensurate buying, writing in the calls, no? So that was not visible. So market doesn't give easy money. Say people who bought 9,800 put, 9,700 put when the market Nifty was around 10,100, 10,200, they'll get easy money, right? Why will the market give easy money to the people? So the open interest was very clear. At least it will not crash immediately. It can crash. Next month it can crash. Once people exit, the February month contract becomes zero, then it can crash. Not before that. Market is not here to give easy money to people. Already 10,500 PE from 14 rupee returned 300 rupee. That itself is a jackpot. 50 paisa to 1000 rupee in a Nifty, that's a humongous thing. Bank Nifty, that's different. So if people can ask one or two questions, then we'll take it up next session. Now the time is 2:35. We'll continue till 2:45. Then we'll close the session. We'll take another 15 minutes break. We'll start by around 3:10. Then it's going to be an even more interesting session for people who want to make a career out of stock trading. Intraday, how do you select scripts, high probability trade setups with a clear logical bias? Karthik, it will be there, yeah, Many people are asking the same question repeatedly. The recording will be there in Facebook. You can always download, you can view many times. I don't consider, number. I see the, gradient. When I say gradient, say here, I don't see the number. The biggest, problem with, oscillator is, if you see here, okay, this was the place, right? In the Williams R, okay, this top is plotted somewhere here in the Williams R, okay. It just fell some 2 centimeters, whereas this fell by 10 centimeters. So this distance and this distance doesn't match. It is not correlation. Okay. So it can rise from here. Say if you see from this place, okay, this top, this fell down to this place. The Williams oscillator from overbought level when the market was around 2,792, it fell down to 1,892. Okay, which is almost 800 points. Okay, for this fall from top to bottom, whereas the same rise from the bottom to top, okay, it rose from 1,917 to 2,515, which is only half. So this is relative. If you look at it, absolute numbers, then you will fail miserably. It can fall just, a bit, whereas this can fall much bigger. You can see it with DLF. You'll be amazed. So many people fail in, with oscillators because of this, discrepancy. They think this is the bottom. Okay, if you see, for a small fall from this place to this place, DLF fell down by 180 to 150, which is 1,50,000 rupee. Okay, but for the rise from here to here, it raised only by 50 points. So oscillator should always be compared with actuals. Otherwise, it will mislead. Trading, I see many people trading only on oscillators and indicators. They are relative. That people should understand. Are you getting it? Am I clear on that? Perfect. Mukesh Dambani. Kumar, எல்லாம் default setting தான். So if any questions are there, okay, if you can type it, then I'll answer it and then close this session. We'll give a break for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we'll start again. We'll go for the intraday settings. If it is okay with you. Middle Bollinger Band is like a magnet. It will always attract the price. Okay, now the time is 2:40. We'll catch up exactly at 3 o'clock. I'll close this session. We'll reopen again so that it becomes easy for people to watch session by session.